Did you know that the microwave oven was discovered by accident? That's right. One of the most common kitchen appliances today was born from a happy accident in the 1940s. It all started when Percy Spencer, an engineer at Raytheon, was working on radar technology. One day, he noticed that a candy bar in his pocket had melted while he was near a magnetron. This sparked an idea that would change cooking forever. Spencer experimented with the magnetron and soon discovered that it could cook food quickly. In 1947, the first microwave oven was introduced, weighing a hefty 750 pounds and costing about $5,000. Can you imagine that? Today, microwaves are everywhere, making our lives easier. Just think about it. What would you do without your trusty microwave for those late-night snacks? It's like having a personal chef that cooks in a flash. So, the next time you heat up your leftovers, remember, it all started with a melted candy bar. Isn't it fascinating how a little accident can lead to such a game-changing invention? What other accidental inventions do you think have changed our lives?